Hey everybody, in this video I am going to be showing you how to make a chain in shuttle tatting. In my last video I had showed you how to make a ring in shuttle tatting, and usually in tatting patterns you will always start on a ring and then you will go on to make whatever the tatting pattern calls for, whether it's another ring or it is a chain. Now to get started, after you have closed your ring, you will turn the ring over and hold it between your thumb and your finger. And you will wrap the ball thread over your index finger and then wrap it around your pinky a couple times. And now we're going to work on making the first half of the double stitch in the chain. What you do is you'll hold your shuttle thread above the shuttle, and then you will go slide under the ball thread and then go back over it, and then you will flip the knot to the chain thread and tighten it up against the ring. And for the second half, you will go over the chain thread, then go back under it, going through the shuttle thread, flipping your knot, and sliding that up against the stitch, and that is your first double stitch. Now you repeat those two steps until you have as many double stitches as you want, and I will be doing 5 double stitches, and then I will show you how to make a picot. To make a picot, all you do is on your first half of the double stitch, you'll make it like normal, but you won't tighten it up against the other stitches. You'll leave a little space, and now you'll make the other half and slide that stitch up against the other stitches, and that little loop creates your picot. Now I will finish making my other 4 double stitches, so I have a total of 5 double stitches picot, then 5 more double stitches. And that is how you make a chain in shuttle tatting. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're wanting more tatting videos, I have a couple more tatting tutorials on my channel, and I will be doing some more in the future. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and that's helped you learn a little bit more about shuttle tatting.